First of all, it's not a promotional video. So I always wanted to buy these sneakers, but most of the time I don't have money. Sometimes they are out of stock, but 1 week ago they restocked it again and I have the money, so I ordered it. They delivered within 2 days and you can see my happy face. If you don't know this brand, shoe brand name is Comet. I have been using for 3 days and they are pretty comfortable. And Comet brand launched a lot of varieties, but I like this very much, maybe because of this black and yellow combination. And this shoe name is AEON to Bumblebee Edition, and this is inspired from the Bumblebee character from Transformers. And yeah, it's very good. I like it. So I thought, why not do some unboxing video? So this is it. So meet you in the next video.